Hi guys. This video will show you how to see other viewers on Facebook story. Unfortunately, you cannot see other viewers on the Facebook story. If your story's privacy setting is set to public, you're only able to see the number of other people who viewed your story. Facebook has decided to keep this information confidential. Here you can also see that someone on Facebook Help community posted a question: how do you see who the other viewers are that watch your story? Answer from the Facebook Help team is: thank you for sharing your question with the community. If your story privacy is set to public, you'll be able to see the number of followers who have viewed your story, but not specific follower names. Please consult the link below to learn more about this feature on Facebook. If you are really concerned about other people watching your story, then the simple way to avoid that is by changing your story's privacy setting. However, you can view the list of your friends that viewed your story, along with their profiles. And these names will be visible even after your story no longer appears. By default, when you publish your first story on Facebook, the story's privacy setting will be set to friends only. But if you changed it to public, everyone on Facebook can see your story. If you have privacy concerns, then set your privacy setting to friends. Otherwise, you won't be able to know who they are. Hope something helps you.